Hello everyone. In this video, I'm explaining about the string. Okay, so how we deal with the string with Windows Form. So I have opened the application Windows Form like this small one. So I'm gonna create a button here, for example, and I'm gonna create two text box. I can type here, by the way, text box one, two. So if I put this one here and one here, okay, and get a button here like this one bigger and this one too. Now so I want put something here, for example. So I have this text one, this text two, so I'm gonna double click in this one. Then so if I say text box one or text box two dot text will be equal text box one dot text. So meaning whenever I click in this button, any data from text one go to text one two. So it does. Let me run this code. So I have a AST or ABC. So I click here. It should be coherent. So it disappeared. It doesn't work. Let me double check what happened here. So text box two will be equal text box one dot text. Okay. So this is doesn't work like this. So for these reasons, we need to create something called string txt will be equal text one dot text. Okay. Then let us do this one txt dot toString. Okay. Let me see and do like this. Then try to now. Oh, actually, I think I know AST or ABC. I think this one ABC. ABC. Here you go. So even though if I remove this one, I do the because this was text one. Let me double check. This one text box one. So this one text box one, and this one text box two. Okay. So even though I can remove this one, I'm gonna do directly like this. Okay, I should dry now. So A B C. Boom. Now, what if I put the numbers? What if I put the numbers? So number one is gonna be one. Okay. So what if I need text box two? I'm gonna take this out. Text box two, the text will be equal text box one dot text plus number two. So whatever you put there should be add number two and run. Okay. So let me run the code. I'm gonna put number one here. 12. So BC actually text box two. Text box two. Okay. Sorry. So I'm gonna put the one here and buttons 12. But 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, it's not 12. It's 3 should be, right? Why? Because this concatenation meaning add them together. String is so the dealing as number 2 as integer. If you want to change this to be numbers, so I have to be parse. We have a function called parse. So the main point here, every text here, every entries, any uncontroller will be by default a string. So we need to convert this one. So I'm gonna create int. Int is type. I take for example x, and then I'm gonna say x equal text box 1 dot text the value over there, but we need this one to become int, so I do int dot parse like this. Okay, now I have another semicolon here. Now I convert the data to become integer and will be in the x. Now I have another int equals sum, for example, summation. Okay, so we're gonna see sum will equal x plus 2. Okay, now I have this data, now sum plus 2, so I need to put this data and the result here, so it will be sum here, so the sum will be here and semicolon. So I have an error. What the error? Move the mouse. You cannot implicitly convert into string. So because the text box dot text will be string, we cannot convert this one. How we convert it? We have a function. If you click dot next, and we have a function. If you have to, I have something called toString, meaning convert this number, whatever data is not string, convert it to toString. Click like this, and let us run the code. Now I have a 1, 3. If I have a 4, will be 6. If I have a 0, I'd have will be 2. So this is work fine. Now, how? By converting. So everything in control will be string. All right. Thank you so much. See you next video with the other string.